So the other day I was experimenting with fake meat to make bolognese. Today, I thought I would give vegan burger a go. So with our fingers crossed, we shall embark once more into the But Vegan series. I will treat it just as a normal burger and make my favorite recipe. I will season it just like how I season burger. So that will be salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, powdered garlic, and some basil. And because preparation is the basis of a successful recipe, I'll cut some mushrooms, around 6, one whole big ass onion cut into slices, and some slices of tomato, and lastly some slices of lettuce. Now I will combine the meat with the spices and everything and make it into 2 equally sized balls. Then on a stove top, get a pan, drizzle with olive oil and add the onions and let them flavor the oil and get a nice browning on them, and then add the meat. I like to add the meatball and then press it down with a spatula like so, but unfortunately it does not work with vegan meat. I mean, I hope it tastes better than it looks. Yes, it got a little bit crumbled, but it's life, I guess. I will add the second one and still crumbled as well. I'll give them a few flips and turns and then add the mushrooms. This way, the mushrooms will soak all the juices and flavors from the burger and the onions. Also, we'll add some soy sauce as well to give them an added salty and slightly bitter soy sauce taste. Meanwhile, let's cut the bread. I made a huge mistake picking up this bread. It's very hard to eat and just too damn big and small at the same time. Just like, height-wise. I mean, never mind. Let's make some sauce. Sauce will be a simple burger sauce, no need to be fancy. I'll just chop these cute mini pickled cucumber into tiny teeny bits, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup to them, 1 tablespoon of mayo, vegan of course, and 1 tablespoon of mustard, and give them a mix. Now let's assemble this mess. Put some sauce, try to make it look like a burger as much as you can. Put some onion and mushrooms. Nope, that's not how you do it. Next, put some lettuce and tomato. Thinking about it now, I should have put some more sauce on the other side of the bun, but yeah, for next time. Now try to close it and let's see how this mess tastes like. Taste-wise, of course, again, it doesn't taste like grilled burger, but it's quite unique. Texture-wise, it's close to meat, but taste is so different. But it's a good taste. It's not like a bad tasting blob of fake meat. But let's try again. This time, I'll put some egg yolks in hopes that it will make it more consistent, more or less, and not crumble into oblivion. We'll put it in the pan with some olive oil again. This time no onions since I have a lot leftovers already, and still crumbling. Yeah, the egg didn't do anything to help in this mess. Since I irredeemably failed again, I will unapologetically add some cheese. Let's assemble this and see if anything changed taste-wise. While we're at it, let's also change the bread. Got a bigger one and not as hard as the other one. I mean, the cheese is keeping it consistent and not fall apart. 1 point for non-vegans. I will add some lettuce, some tomatoes, and some pickles since I was lazy to cut them into small bits and add them to the sauce. And I'll do one dramatic cut in half shot and give it a taste test. I mean, definitely the cheese gave it a better taste and the bread choice was much more smarter this time, and it was easier to eat overall. Still a mess, but a tasty mess. I would say it was well worth the try as a meal without comparison to normal burgers. It was a very tasty thing to eat. No comparison needed really, and would definitely try to do it again.